I have to look at the camera, right? Okay. Hello friends, I am Dr. Bishwarup Chaudhary. I know this name is very difficult for you to remember. You can just call me Dr. Bishwarup. If you find even that not easy to remember, you can call me Mr. B. I made a Guinness World Record for learning things faster in the world, memorizing fastest, faster than any human being on the earth. But that does not mean that I am having a better memory than you. It only means that I know some techniques, I know some methods. And by using those principles, we can learn everything very fast. We can learn everything very fast, we can retain it for a very long period, and we can recall everything perfectly whenever required. For that, I have invented a mnemonic pen, and the pen which I give to my students, and through the mnemonic pen they are able to understand how the brain works, how to learn, how to retain, how to recall, and that is possible by using the mnemonic pen in my training program. And through the mnemonic pen they are able to understand how the brain works, they are able to practice some memory techniques, and the principle on which the pen is based is called 1. The law of association, and 2. The law of imagination. When you add these two principles in your life, in learning, you are able to learn things very fast. How fast? Even 10 times faster. You are able to remember things almost permanently. That means you need not to revise again and again. You need to see the information. Once you have learned, it is learned forever. One of my students, she could even learn the complete Oxford dictionary by using these methods. I made the second Guinness World Record, that is 198 push-ups in 1 minute. So now what is the connection of push-ups and memory techniques and mind techniques? Whatever you do or whatever you are, it is because of your brain. So by changing your brain, you can change your personality. By giving the right command, you can change the way you feel, you can change the way you perform, you can change the way you achieve. But how to communicate to the brain, how to perform, how to talk to the brain so as to get the desired result, that is the second most important part about my training program after learning. I call it mind-body training. And through this training, not only you will be able to achieve some goal related to your physical body, you will be able to cure a lifestyle disease. So in my workshop, not only I will train you how to learn things very fast, I will train you how to talk to the brain so as to get the desired result. Even if it is about curing the body, even if it is about curing yourself of life-threatening disease like cancer, like tumor, like various kind of kidney stone, gallbladder stone, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. So these diseases you can cure just by giving a different command to the brain. So I welcome you to my training program, Memory, Mind and Body. I am author of 25 books, and my books are available all over the world in more than 18 languages. I want to reach you through my books, I want to reach you through my training programs, I want to reach you through my invention, mnemonic pen. So someday, get to see you. All the best. Thank you.